In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Outlook. This integration lets you manage emails directly from ClickUp, which is really helpful if you live in your inbox, but still want all your work centralized in one place. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and log into your ClickUp workspace. Make sure you're signing into the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple teams. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. This is the main navigation column where you normally see things like Home, Spaces, and other tools. In that left-hand column, scroll down until you see the option labeled More. Go ahead and click on More. This expands an additional menu with extra features and settings that aren't shown by default. From this expanded menu, look for the item called Apps. Click on Apps. This is where ClickUp groups its integrations and add-ons. So anytime you want to connect ClickUp with another tool, you'll usually come here. On the apps page, find the option labeled Outlook Email. It may be listed alongside other email or communication tools. Once you see Outlook Email, click on it to open the configuration panel for that integration. Inside the Outlook Email section, there should be a button that says Configure. Click on Configure. This will take you to the settings area where you can link your Outlook accounts to ClickUp. Next, look for a button that says Add New. This is how you create a new email connection. Click on Add New. If you already have other email accounts connected, they'll appear in this section, but for now we're adding a fresh Outlook connection. A set of sign-in options will appear. Choose Sign in with Microsoft. Click on that option. This tells ClickUp that you want to authorize a Microsoft Outlook or Office 365 email account. You'll now see a pop-up window open. If it doesn't appear, check whether your browser is blocking pop-ups and allow them temporarily for ClickUp. In this pop-up, you'll see the standard Microsoft sign-in screen. Click into the sign-in field, type in your Outlook email address, and then click Next. From here, just follow Microsoft's prompts to complete the login and accept the permissions. Once you're done, your Outlook account will be connected to ClickUp, and you can start using email directly